Hey guys, what's going on? This is Alex again with another video for Affil Coin. So, as you can see, our recording environment has changed a little bit. Still in Thailand, still awaiting a safe return to China following the coronavirus. So, one of the things I want to talk to you about today is making safe choices. One of those safe things we can do is to diversify. What is diversification? That means to not keep all of your eggs in one basket. Not keeping one type of currency, not keeping one type of crypto. Making sure that our portfolio, whether it be cash or cryptos, is diversified so that we have safe options. Making sure that we invest in stable economies when it comes to cash. Making sure that we invest in stable coins when we do. As we can see from the coronavirus, it is a very real possibility that the renminbi may start to fall in price. So if I had not diversified my portfolio with my cash savings, I would lose a lot of money if the renminbi started to fall. And if I had not made safe bets to start to exchange some of my money for USDs and for euros, then I would be completely at a loss if the renminbi starts to fall. Same thing goes for cryptos. If I keep all of my cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, man, I tell you what, when it takes a dive, I would lose tons of money. But because I've made safe choices to keep some Bitcoin, to keep Ethereum, and to keep money in Affil Coin as well, if one of those takes a dive, as we've seen Bitcoin do, I'm not at a complete loss. I'm totally safe with my investments. Now, another thing that we can do to be safe is to make sure that we invest in stable cash, stable economies, and stable coin. Major players, the US, the UK, even at times China. Cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Affil Coin. But also making sure that we make smart choices using systems like DPoS, delegated proof of stake, so that we can earn money while we sleep. Speaking of, I recently invested just a little bit of money. I took $10 and I invested it in Affil Coin just to see what would happen. I haven't earned a lot, but I have earned something. It only took me enough money for 2 coffees that I saved from the day, right? So I took the money that I would have spent on 2 coffees and I put it with Affil Coin, and I've already started to earn money back while I sleep. So this, again, is a safe bet. Investing in coins, investing in Affil Coin, because we use delegated proof of stake. Again, safe, not only because it's stable, being stable as not being determined by the number of miners that there are, because all currency, no matter what it is volatile. It can go up and it can go down based on current economic situations. But at least with this, I'm able to make money passively while I sleep. So again, guys, remember, the coronavirus is still running rampant in China. Please keep them in your prayers as this continues to develop. Please make sure that if you like this video, please click the like button below, the subscribe button at the bottom. There's a bell next to the subscribe button that will give you notifications anytime there's a new video. There is a link in the comment section below that you can use to register for your very own Affil Coin wallet. And we have tutorial videos if you're concerned on how to do it or how to buy Affil Coin. I've made some tutorial videos. You can check the channel for those so you can register for your own Affil Coin wallet. Learn how to mint and find places and learn how to register with sites p2pax.com and atomars.com, stock exchanges that you can use to buy and sell your Affil Coin. Thank you guys so much for taking this time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next video.